Peggy 18.
Special operators know. Anticipate correctly, gain a little. Anticipate incorrectly, lose a lot. In the field, your team's reaction time is shortened with advanced information, but sometimes critical intel won't come until after the mission has begun. In Ghost Recon Future Soldier, you get a chance to gather intel and share it with your unit in amazing ways that once again give you an incredible edge over an unsuspecting enemy. The same kind of edge that it's given me the privilege of being here talking to you today. This is the third and final episode of our series. I'm Mac, and get ready to believe in ghosts. December 20th, 1989. During the American invasion of Panama, an elite Spec Ops team is secretly dropped on a heavily guarded prison in Panama City. Inside, an American hostage is being held by a guard with instructions to shoot if any rescue attempt is made. A single operator from the team rappelled down to the captive's cell from the outside and seized the perfect opportunity when the potential executioner steps out. With this real-time intelligence update, the rest of the team was able to infiltrate the prison and eliminate the guard before he returned to the captive's cell. The hostage was extracted, leaving his captors scratching their heads and counting their dead. In Ghost Recon Future Soldier, you too will face similar missions. Gather intel in the field and share it effortlessly with your team. All accomplished with the technology made available exclusively to the Ghosts. Your objective: prevent the execution of the hostage. Once at the location, the Ghosts don't want to risk revealing themselves while gathering intel. Instead, they employ the use of an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. Now the operators can get a layout of their surroundings, locate potential threats, and share this vital intel with the rest of the team. Your enemies have no way of knowing they're being watched. The team chooses to avoid this group because it's not always about fighting, it's about winning. What the UAV fails to find is the location of the guard assigned to the hostage. It's time for the Ghost to execute what they call data hacking. With the use of a stun grenade, the Ghost used non-lethal force to subdue a lone target. Luckily, he was carrying critical information on the location of everyone inside the building. Let's find that guard. Did you know that the Ghost UAV also comes in an armed model? Yeah, neither did he, and he never will. Now the hostage is safe, the same can't be said for his guard. Just like Panama, the team used intel and teamwork as their main weapons, and you can too in the Ghost Recon Future Soldier multiplayer experience. Knowledge is power, and with the aid of the latest technology, you can learn more about your enemies than they know about themselves, and share that knowledge with your teammates online. Now, you all have a reason to believe in ghosts. I'm Mac, and thanks for watching our series on Ghost Recon Future Soldier.